welcome to today's tutorial where we'll walk through how to sell your used books on BookDeal.com. Begin by entering your ISBN. Once you enter the ISBN, an offer page will appear. The offers page displays multiple different offers based on the book conditions from a variety of trusted book buyers. Each book buyer at BookDeal.com has a minimum requirement. This means that if the book I'm selling is below $25, then I'll need to add more books to reach the minimum requirement. The book I'm selling is for $92. That means I met the minimum deal requirement. Once you've chosen the best offer for your book, click Add to Seller Cart. This will take you to your Seller Cart page where you can see your book buyer, deal summary, and total. Let me add my second ISBN number on the ISBN search bar and press Enter. Select the condition of your book and click Add to Seller Cart. Now do the same thing for the third ISBN number. You can see the number of book buyers and the books you want to sell. Check your deal summary to see if your deal looks okay and click Sell Books to proceed. After you have signed in, you will be taken back to the home page. Click on the cart icon that is located on the upper right corner of the page to view your seller cart. If you're ready to complete your deal, click Sell Books, which will take you to the checkout page. BookDeal offers 3 payment options. For prompt payment, we recommend PayPal or Venmo. Zelle has longer processing times. Select one of the payment options and enter your email address or phone number accordingly. Review your deal and agree to the buyback terms and conditions agreement. Make sure to ship your book within 5 business days to get a guarantee for your deal. Click Confirm Deal to process your deal. Now that you've confirmed your deal, the next step is to print the shipping labels and packing slips. Pay attention to the summary on top. You're selling 3 books to 3 buyers. Therefore, there will be 3 different shipping labels and packing slips. It's important to ship your books to the correct buyers. Do not pack multiple deals together. If you have multiple deals, make sure the packing slips and shipping labels have the same deal number. Only pack the books that are in the packing slip. After you printed your packing slip and shipping labels, scroll down the page and you can upload pictures of your books. BookDeal gives you the option to upload photos of your books prior to sending them. Why should you upload pictures of your books? Uploading your pictures is necessary for the BookDeal Guarantee. This way, we make sure you get paid. Additionally, uploading your pictures serves as proof that the books you have are in the condition you stated. BookDeal will save the pictures to your deal. Pack your books securely so they don't get damaged during the shipping process. Drop your packages off at your local U.S. Postal Service, UPS, or FedEx according to the shipping label within 5 business days. You can check the deal status on your account. Once the book buyer has received your book, payment will be issued within 5 business days. Thanks so much for watching this quick tutorial and have fun selling your books online.